Assalamu alaikum. Dawn editorial 80 word per minute speed. Caretaker contacts are the lines blurring between the responsibilities of a caretaker government and the mandate of elected assemblies ? In August, the ECP banned the granting of NOCs to new housing societies in Punjab. It also reminded the interim chief minister that such policies exceed the authority of a caretaker set up but 2 months later, the KP caretaker seems to have fallen out of line . On Wednesday, the provincial interim government approved amendments to the Muslim Families Law Ordinance, 1961 to include the oath of finality of prophethood (peace be upon him) in the marriage registration form. The Lahore High Court issued directives for revision in the nikah form during the hearing of a writ petition . Subsequently, a joint resolution by the Provincial Assembly solicited the insertion of the Khatm-e-Nabuwat oath in the Nikahnama . Caretaker governments are watched with so even a slight slip up ignites flag . Their prime function is to hold the fort from the dissolution of the assemblies, through the run up to free and fair elections, and ending with the swearing in of a new elected dispensation. They should also execute routine governance and ensure smooth, impartial community in matters of the state. For this reason, interim system impinges on the authority of an elected legislature when they engage with long-term issues . Instead, the relevant authorities would do well to prioritize women-centric progress. Take a diagnostic study of Punjab, which found that a resounding 60% of nikahnamas, registered from 2016 to 2022, were incomplete, or that the bride's CNIC number was absent in 48% of marriage contracts, 75% of girls were 60 to 18 years old. The alimony section was blank in 39%. Admittedly, this paints a grisly portrait for future generations, therefore, the time is now to steer away from policy making and move toward and empowerment of women with a greater understanding and participation in the Nikahnama so that their socio-economic rights are unequivocally settled.